Perfection is not a destination. It is a relentless, often uncomfortable pursuit of the extreme. It exists in the tension between raw, untamed power and absolute surgical control, between a work of art and a weapon. This is where that pursuit has led in 2025. This is where that pursuit has led in 2025. Forget plastic shrouds. Here, the architecture is the aesthetic. The 2025 frame is a refined chromium molybdenum steel trellis. A signature, yes, but now with calculated flex zones. Notice how the tubes converge not just for strength, but to visually funnel your eye toward the machine's heart. The single-sided swing arm is a piece of automotive jewelry, forged aluminum, anodized, and acting as a visual counterweight to the brutal minimalism of the front. This is a bike with a 53.9-inch wheelbase, short, nervous, alive. Every millimeter of its 31.7-inch seat height is engineered to place the rider on it, not in it. You wear the dragster. The sole is, as always, the inline 3, 798cc of pure, unbalanced character. For 2025, MV Agusta's engineers weren't chasing peak horsepower bragging rights. They sought delivery. 148 horsepower, 65 pound-feet of torque. The numbers are staggering, but they are liars. The truth is in the new counter-rotating crankshaft, which reduces gyroscopic effect, making the bike shockingly quick to flick. The truth is in the fully integrated ride-by-wire system. Not with 4, but with 8 maps. Race is searing, linear, vicious. But Rain is a masterclass in electronic diplomacy, taming the beast without neutering it. Sound design, layered audio. The pure mechanical whir of the gear-driven camshifts, the induction roar, and that exhaust. A rising metallic wail that breaks into a symphonic crackle on overrun. Sound design, layered audio. The pure mechanical whir of the gear-driven camshifts, the induction roar, and that exhaust. A rising metallic wail that breaks into a symphonic crackle on overrun. Sound design, layered audio. The pure mechanical whir of the gear-driven camshifts, the induction roar, and that exhaust. A rising metallic wail that breaks into a symphonic crackle on overrun. The suspension is where the RR justifies its badge. Fully adjustable Uhlans Gold. 43 mm at the front, a monoshock at the rear. This is not comfort, this is information. The road is translated, not transmitted. Every crack, every grain of asphalt is communicated, then filtered through intelligence. The brakes are sublime. Dual 320mm discs gripped by Brembo-style monoblock calipers. The initial bite is firm, progressive, and utterly confidence-inspiring. They are not just for stopping, they are for reshaping your corner entry. But what is it like to ride this mobile paradox? It is intense. It is demanding. The riding position is committed, aggressive. The throttle is a neuron synapse. This motorcycle has zero patience for passive riders. It rewards precision with explosive acceleration, with cornering that feels like a pivot, with a sense of connection that borders on the intimate. It is exhausting. It is exhilarating. It is, in every sense, alive. The 2025 MV Agusta Dragster 800RR is not a motorcycle for everyone. It is arguably not a motorcycle for most. It is expensive. It is focused. It lacks the digital nannying and plush demeanor of its German or Japanese rivals. But to call it a competitor is to miss the point. It is an artifact from a future where analog feeling and digital precision finally achieved a perfect, uneasy truce. It is a rolling declaration that in an age of homogenization, there are still those who believe that a machine should have a soul, a temper, and a devastating, beautiful purpose. It is an artifact from a future where analog feeling and digital precision finally achieved a perfect, uneasy truce. It is a rolling declaration that in an age of homogenization, there are still those who believe that a machine should have a soul, a temper, and a devastating, beautiful purpose. If you are merely a rider, it is too much. But if you are a connoisseur of experience, it may just be perfect.